Okay guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to add a admin to your page on Facebook. If you have a page on Facebook, I'll show you the exact way to add the admin to it in this video, so stay tuned. So first thing you have to do is just to config and mobile app. This tutorial is only meant for you on mobile app, or maybe you're on a browser that are mobile. Load the Facebook the first interface here, so you can click on these three slide button. So this place, I click on this page. So if you already featured the page on your like there is to add the pages, your page you own in this section area. So if you have not done that, you can scroll down a bit and click on pages here to locate the exact page you want to add the admin to. So these are the pages that I owned or that I have access to. These are all the pages. So if you have any other pages, it's going to be shown below, but that is these below one are going to be the pages that you are not the owner to. So you are not the owner to those ones. So let's move down to the tutorial straightforward. So I'll be using the Internet Discover, which I also own as the example for this tutorial. So what you have to do now, if you click the page, so yeah, you can click the three button here, like the dot button here. Let me show you again, this button here. So you click on the button and click on the edit page. So you just have to scroll down and locate things here. Let me show you again. The settings, it's here. So you just click on it. So it's going to put up. So it happens to be that Facebook usually change the style of their, like, for you to get here, it might be a little bit different in your phone or based on the latest version, and they keep updating it. So you just have to be careful to locate the settings, and that's an important thing. So what you have to do next is to click on this page row. So click on the page row, and it's going to load the admins that are already in the page. So we have a Gary Aaron, and we have a Buster Shower, and also me. So these are, I'm the admin here, and these are just my friends here. So if you want to add a new one or remove the existing one, you can just click here, remove him as the admin. So it's going to request password, but let me choose this example. So to add admin, okay, so you verify the password. Immediately you add the password, then it's going to continue. So that's just the simple step for you to get here, and make sure you know your password. So that's why I recommend some apps like LastPass. So if you forget a password, if you save it on LastPass, you can just go back there and copy it and put it to make this work fine. So that's just the simple way to add the person to be. You just have to put it and get to be on your admin list. So with just that, then you are good to go. So just follow the same step, but let me show you how it's done. Okay, so now after inputting your password, so immediately you put your password, make sure it's your correct password. Then you're going to make sure you put the user name of the person that you about to search for, like add to your admin page. So for this example, I will add my friend. His name is Busola Onotomiwa. So just search for his name. Okay, let me use okay, yeah. So immediately you input the person name, and as you can see, that's my LastPass showing up. If you add the person's name, then the person, I can now choose each role. Like, okay, I want the person to be making my editor, my admin, my moderator, or anything you want the person to be in your page. So with this simple step that I just show you now, so you can add any admin or any friends on your list to your admin page. So but make sure the person is on your friend list. That is very important. And then you come to your page, then you click on the double dot row up there that I showed you previously. Then you click it, you locate the settings and you get to the page row. Then you put your password after you click on add admin. Then you put immediately you put your password, is going to actually put the username. You input the username, then you select the row. That's how you get here. So you can follow this step in your site too and to get on ASAP. Thank you. You can subscribe to our channel and you can like our video if you enjoyed it. And if you want us to send you, like maybe to explain better or use another device, we can do that for sure for you. Just comment and let's communicate so we know what to work on. Thank you.